Okay guys, so today there's editors there's a voice chatting, bro. This is so lagi guys. So guys, it's editors. Oh, saka doon pa din. Ah! He just shoot me. Guys, he just shoot me because of the VC, bro. I hate this.
Oh my gosh!
So guys, this is Bozo the Teamer 1 and Bear the Teamer 2. So guys, I'm beating the teamers. I'm beating the teamers and shooting the teamers. So guys, I'm gonna shoot the teamers. That's why. Oh yes, Sheriff! Wait, my voice is kinda silly. Yeah. And Sheriff, who just died for no reason.
Why?
Where did you expect that? Where did you expect that? What it sounds like, guys? Bro, the VC, the voice chat of the editor. Bossa is, remember guys, Bossa is Teamer 1 and Bear is Teamer 2. At least my friend Fatima is from Indonesia and 6 years old. Like, she's 7 years old today. Now, she's sleeping because, guys, she has a work. But I can do it by myself with a teamer. Like, bro. Hi. It's just someone that. This is the murder. Pintuan ni Lolo.
Ay, pinto niya ang hangin.
Double. First double. Okay, they disconnected from the chat. Bozza is disconnected by his chat. Let's go. Fire, let me shut the fire. Friend, oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, he killed his boyfriend for no reason. What's his reason? Yo. Guys, first of all, they are annoying. Second of all, it's so annoying. Third of all, they are so like, bro, it's a trash hitbox. Second of all is trash hitbox. So I don't like teamers and edators. Edators are first of all annoying. Second of all, guys, it's so trash hitbox. I was so far earlier. And then it is chasing me. See guys, he's the hitbox. I'm so far, guys. And then he hits me, bro. This is Teamer 1, bro. Teamer 1. Teamer 2, yeah. Now they are acting. See. Okay, go. Oh no. Okay, so Teamer 2 just left. Teamer 2 just left. So we're just 3. We're just 3. There. Bonzel. Guys. No. Okay. Check us. It's following me. I'm so yay! I got sheriff. I'm so lucky today. That I got. I know who's the murderer now. Right now, bro. Baba, wait lang.
Hindi.
Wait lang,
Wait. Hindi.
Wait lang, ano ko yung screen record ko?
Papatayin sa record.
Oh, isa mo. Patay mo na. Isa mo.
Sorry guys.
Isa mo.